Good morning, vloggy vlog. Today we're gonna go get breakfast. I'm super excited. We're going with our friends and it's like, what time is it? 8:53, which is pretty early. And we're gonna go to Pigeon Cafe. It's a cafe I never went to. And I saw that their place is really cute. So I'm gonna film it. And yeah. We're gonna go to Beta Block, rock climbing. We're about to eat at this place called Corilla. We're looking at the menu. They also put us in a cool room. Like, it makes us feel like more elite, like no one's here quite elite. And also, when you're ready to order, just click this button. So we're gonna get this, the fried paradise, as well as this ramen. Guys, we got some miso soup and a little salad. We're about to go to Isot. It's like a trampoline place. Clint and I baked some cookies for our white elephant with our friends. I got the Lego Orchid and Clan got the Pokemon things. We're about about to open some Pokemon cards.
Like that? Yo! Sleeping, Max.
Yeah, congrats.
It's been a couple days now and we're bringing our dogs to the park. Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's already New Year's, which is so crazy. The year has passed so fast, and yeah, so welcome to 2023 and I hope you enjoy the vlog. This is our kid version for the Squid Game glass bridge game.
2, 3, go!
This game was so fun, but the ball was like literally so huge. It took us maybe around like almost 2 hours, and I was so happy I won. I got the $50. We also played bingo, and Clint won the first game. Sadly, I didn't win, but I had one left. Hey guys, this is not mine, but I wanted to show you because it's super cool. I really wanted one though. But we got the Nocta Drake Air Force One. It says "Love You Forever" here. It already looks nice. It's like a light blue color. When you open the box, this is how it looks. It has the Nocta sign and the Nike symbol. Oh, they actually look so fire, and it's like kind of different from the regular Air Force. It has like leather here. It says "I love you forever." Little details. It's like small hearts. Really cool. But it comes with jewels, so you can like write anything you want. They're like light blue. And then they also gave like extra laces, but what's special about it is that if you put like the letters here, it's gonna keep them from falling, which is nice. And then the sole has a different color. It's blue. Looks different. Sadly, this was ordered from Nocta, but it didn't come with the book.
This is called my orchid tree in the middle with some little leaves that I got from this bamboo. And then I just put some of the orchids on the bottom just to make it look more cool aesthetic.
This is how the second one turned out, and I think Glenn did a really good job. Hey vloggy vlog. Today we went to a cafe and we did something super cute. We did our mood boards, and now we're gonna explain them to you. So do you want to start or should I start?
You can start.
So I don't know how I'm gonna explain it, but this is how she looks. I'll probably add it into the screen. Super cute. I'm gonna call this mood board clean girl, it girl, minimalist girl, and like I want to try Pilates. I want to do yoga more, go to like a yoga class and try like hot yoga, stuff like that. Have more picnics. Well, I know it's not really like possible because it's cold right now, but in the summer always have YouTube and cameras in mind because I like to film. I have a picture of me over here like filming in my camcorder. I have a cup here with water to remind me to drink water because I do drink water, but I don't think I drink enough.
Do this. Oh, dehydrated.
Dehydrated, yeah. I also want to start doing my hair. Like I feel like my hair is always so straight, so I put like a picture of a girl with like curly hair. I also have like stuff, cute pictures, like traveling. I don't even know if that's realistic, like to go to Paris or something, but at least like I have a little picture here that reminds me that I want to travel. I want to read more, bake more, eat more vegetables. So yeah, that's how I would explain it. How about you?
I have my board, my vision board. So I kind of like divided it into 3, where this is like more work. This is like physical activity. This is more just like activity for my own peace, for my own mind. And it is divided into 3, where you can see like here and then here and here. It's divided using these quotes that I go by. For my physical activities, what I would like to do is participate in a marathon. I'd like to go biking more, which is right there. Hiking, meditating outside. That's a lot more fun. What I like about like summer is you can kind of hear the birds, hear the wind, hear the planes, hear the cars, everything.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's really nice. This is traveling. I put like New York because it's probably somewhere I would rather go than Toronto. Terrace is cool because that's what we kind of did during the summer, if you guys remember in the vlogs. And then yeah, hiking. And then we have work. Here I would love to have a Boro carpet. I put like a Capital jacket that I really like. And then I'd also like to build my denim collection. I'd like to build kind of like the stock of clothes that I could work on. And this is my pop-up, my first pop-up, which I would like to do more. And yeah, and a studio, small studio, which I will hopefully get this year.
Yes.
And then last is kind of like plants.
Guys, comment down below who has a better mood board, me or Glenn. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you'd like to watch next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.